Hello, my name is Victor. This is my very first video on English vowel sounds. And today we're going to be looking at the 12 or 14 vowel sounds. We have 7 short vowel sounds and 5 long vowel sounds. And according to the way we have arranged them on the board, you can see the short sounds on the left-hand side and the long versions on the right-hand side. Take a good look at the symbols. This is the short form. This is the long form. This, the short form, and this, the long form. This, the short form, and this, the long form. This, the short form, and this, the long form. This is the short form, but it does not have a long form. It does not have a long version. So this is not the long version of this. Please never make the mistake. This is not in any way related to this. Okay? And then this also is a short form, and this also is in a short form. Right here below we have weak vowels, the 3 weak vowel sounds. Okay, let's begin again at the top as we get the sounds. The 7 short pure vowels. The pure vowels are also called the monophthongs. I said monophthongs. Vowel number 1. The sound is ah. I repeat, ah. And the short and the long one is ah. I repeat, ah. So, if we were to look for words under this short form, we would say words like pot. For example, pot. So, to transcribe it, it would be pot. Very easy, right? Then the long version. We need a word for the long version. Mostly words that have AR or words that have, of course, a longer version of the R sound. For example, we have heart. This is pot, and this is heart. So to transcribe it, it would be heart. Number 2, we have the sound I. I. And the long one is E. E. An example, under the short form, we have pit. Pit. And to transcribe it, we'll have, pit. And the long version, we have seat. Seat. Then we have seat. Seat. This is pit, and this is seat. The next one we have up. 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 And we have hot. To transcribe it, it will be hot. The long version. The word example would be cart. Cart. And to transcribe it, cart. Cart. The next one is ooh. The word would be put, put. And to transcribe it, put. The long one would be ooh. An example, room. Room. The next one is bed, bed, bed. Like I said when we started, this sound is not in any way related to this sound. So this sound is you can repeat after me. Like search, search, bird, worm. Okay. Search, search, search. And then now we have, most times students confuse themselves. They try to compare the sound with the sound, they're two different sounds. This is and this is So, example, we have come, come. To transcribe it, it will be come, come. Most times, this symbol or this sound appears in words that have U. For example, cut, cut, C-U-T, cut, hunt, H-U-N-T, hunt. And then in a word like country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, country, and not the normal country the students say. It is country. Okay, the last sound here is a very, very special sound. As a matter of fact, the most used sound in English language. It is called the schwa sound. The schwa sound. And the sound is It's a weak vowel. It appears in unstressed syllables. And most times it appears in unstressed syllables at the end of words, or even in the middle or at the beginning of words. Example, we have complete, complete, complete. This sign here shows that there's a stress on the second syllable. So the first syllable is without stress. That is why we have the short sound. So it is complete, complete, complete. We also have it in a word like computer, 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 computer. And mostly words that end with ER without stress. Farmer, farmer, teacher, teacher. Okay, now let's look at the weak vowels. They are called weak vowels because there is a little stress attached to them when they are pronounced. And that's the reason we have 14 pure vowel sounds, because there are 2 extra sounds. This sound and this sound. This is the short sound, it's already counted here. So we have 2 extra sounds that are not here. So that makes it 14. 14 pure vowel sounds. 14 monophones. Okay. The first one is E. It's very weak. It's related to the E sound. E. And E. And then we have E. This is very weak. Let's have it on the board. Let's have it on this part of the board very quickly. E. 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 This is very weak. You find this in unstressed syllables as well. And you find it in words that have Y at the end with E sound. For example, mommy. Mommy. Take note, there's a dot. Unlike this one, there's no dot. There's a dot here showing that it is a weak vowel. And the second one, the second weak vowel that we have is U. It is related to this sound. U. Let's have it here. 2. We have the U. U. Take note of the symbols, the way they appear. This one is the number U, letter U, with the 2 dots. This one looks more like a flower verse. This one is the number U without dots. Please don't make the mistake of using this for this or this for this. Now let me repeat the sounds. You can repeat after me. Ooh. 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 Very short. Ooh. Okay. You can find this in unstressed syllables as well. For example, in the word calculate. We have a stress here. Calculate. Calculate. And the last weak vowel we have already treated here. Thank you. That's all I have for you today on English vowel sounds, pure vowels.